Well, I think the drugs we use is not taken seriously into account. Parents leave their drugs all over the place at home, but our children may accidentally take these drugs, and before you know it, and soon many children are victim to accidents. Now, this must be avoided at all cost. One way preventing accidents is to put drugs in closed boxes. Also, parents can firmly close the lid really well. I am sure kids won't able to reach it. Another problem we find in mismanaged of drugs is how these medicines can be allergic to many people. We have to remember, different drugs have different resistance and duration. It is extremely dangerous if someone take a wrong drug. So, what are the way we can stop this from happening? Well, I suggest to introduce a course, which will primarily improve the misuse of drugs and greatly improve our lives. Today, I would like to talk about a book in this class. This book focuses on architecture design in London, not just any place in London. It is in the west side of London called West Street of London. The architecture made a very poor design of the buildings there. This can cause a mood swing. An awful design of a building can have a negative influence on people's mood. If you want to some beautiful designs, then you must visit Stanford and Frankfurt. They are good examples of best architectural designs. Different architects have different perspectives on beauty, which is an arrogant word since it is in the eye of the beholder. One can write a bad book or act bad in a play, but how one can design bad and ugly buildings? Well, it is difficult for architects to realize a bad architectural design.
Normally, however, spectacles are part of an assemblage of items, giving us an overall look. And in fashion terms, they're classed as accessories, along with shoes, jewellery, handbags or watches. But in healthcare terms, they are, of course, a medical device. And in many languages other than English, they're often described as a prosthesis, an artificial part of the body, part of you, making you who you are. And choosing your spectacles is therefore a major decision. Increasingly, people own 2 or more pairs for different occasions or times of the day. And there is a phrase for this in the industry. It's called lifestyle dispensing, and it dates back to the 1950s. The idea is that you wear one type of spectacles in the workplace and quite another at leisure or on the beach.